Welcome to Marigold Lesson, Little Fish Story. In this session we shall read the story by Enos B. Comstock, understand difficult words, and answer questions.
There are a great many million fish in the seas, but this story is about just one of them, and a very small one at that. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented, but he was not happy. You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. He was unhappy because he was so very small. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, he would say, over and over again. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it.
One day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he, when suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as its haul was being emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool clear water. How good it felt!
He swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life, said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish.
Such a wonderful story. Being little and small has its own advantages. Let's understand the meaning of difficult words. The word million, when used generically, means a very large number that is not named exactly. When we talk about numbers, it also means a number with 1 followed by 6 zeros. Now form sentences using the word.
Mr. Whiz, here they are. Millions of people came to the Olympic Games. He won $1 million in the lottery.
The word floundering means to experience great difficulties or be completely unable to decide what to do.
The sentences with word floundering are: she was floundering when her turn came. The fish was floundering in the fisherman's net.
The word meshes means a material or article made of fiber woven to form open spaces, as in a net.
Here are the examples. Our house fence is made of wire mesh. It was very easy to make a mesh out of the leftover wires.
The word haul means to pull something heavy, slowly, and with difficulty.
The example sentences are: he hauled his bike, as the patrol got over in it. The engine hauls the other coaches of the train.
The word content means satisfied with things as they are.
The sentences are: I was contented after eating the sweets made by my mother. My mother was contented with the homework I did.
The word splashing meaning to dash or spray liquid.
Example sentences are: the car splashed mud all over me. At night I could hear the splash of waves.
The word emptied means to remove everything from a container.
Example sentences are: I emptied the box and put my belongings into my bag. Put the empty bottles in the rubbish bin.
The word wriggle means to twist and turn one's body with quick movements from side to side.
Example sentences are: the excited children wriggled in their seats while waiting for the clowns. He wriggled the key into the lock.
The word warning means an advice on a serious note given in advance.
Example sentences are: he was scared of the warning given by police. They saw the slippery warning road sign and slowed the car.
Well done. Now let's look at the questions from the textbook and answer them. How many fishes are there in the sea?
There are 1,000,000 fish in the sea.
Why was the little fish unhappy?
The little fish was unhappy because he was so very small.
What happened to the fish one day?
One day the fish got caught in the meshes of a great net.
Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish?
The fish was thankful to be a little fish, as he was able to come out of the meshes of the net because of its small size.
With this we have come to the end of the session.